Hey guys, look at the turtles we just got today. We're gonna shower them.
Jolene, you wanna shower the turtles?
And then after we're gonna show you what the container looks like.
Uh-huh. So we got our turtles here. One is baby George's and one is Jolene's. And then we're gonna
both
put...
of them are ours.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, so Jorge's gonna we're gonna open the water a little bit. Just a little bit, and then Jorge's gonna shower them.
How?
How? We're just gonna pour water, a little bit of water on top of them. This is their first time showering.
Oh, okay, now.
We're showering the little feet, los piecitos,
And then
we're gonna do it gently. Give them a little shower.
and now it's this guy's turn.
Okay, baby George is gonna do the other one.
We're gonna do it gently, like wash out all of that dirt.
Because they were in sand, and we're gonna put new turf on them. I can see how they're.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about the turtles out here?
That they move super slow and I can catch them.
Yeah, Jorge was gonna get a lizard
Um,
first, but then we backed out, and now we're doing turtles because turtles are easier to.
Take care of.
Look at the little turtle moving away from the water. Vamos a echarle agüita.
Agua.
Jolene, ¿te gustan las tortuguitas?
Let's put a little bit on this one too.
Okay. ¿Te gustan las tortuguitas?
You wanna dry them now?
Okay. I don't think we have to dry them up. They can be. I don't think we have to. We have to dry them. No. We're just gonna shower and give them one more scoop of water before they go inside into
The new container.
well, it's not the new container, but
Well,
we're gonna put new turf because before it had sand, and now we're gonna be putting.
some wood.
Now we're gonna put it in bark. So they're all done.
Now they're all done.
They're all done showering. We're gonna leave them alone for a little bit, and then we're gonna
Are we
show
gonna
you.
put them outside?
No, we're gonna pause the video, and then we're gonna be back once we put them back into their container.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Okay. See you in the next video.
I'll see you in the other part of the clip.
Yep. So now that we clean the container, here's their
And then,
house.
and then step 2, you have to water it.
We already cleaned this one right here.
You gotta take out everything.
We took off the sand. The sand is right there.
And then now,
And Jorge's gonna be drying up the container. That way it's nice and dry. Okay, Jorge? Jorge is working very hard to keep up his turtles. While Jorge is drying up the container, the turtles are air drying over here. Hi, little turtles. I think they're a little bit cold because they haven't showered in a while. Okay, Jorge's making it nice and clean. Make sure you leave it nice and dry, okay, Jorge?
Jolene.
Jorge, clean it up good. What you doing, Jolene? Huh? Jolene's being a bad girl. And here's some of the stuff that we had for the turtles. We had the little island, a few rocks, and that's the sand that we took away. What, are you almost done cleaning it, drying it up? Jorge's done drying it up. It's nice and shiny, and the turtles are still hanging out back there. And now it's time to put this bark stuff inside the. Jorge, you wanna put it? You wanna put the bark
Wait, I gotta
inside the turtle stuff? Jordan, what you doing? Don't throw the stuff in the water.
She was throwing stuff in the water, girl.
So now baby George, he's gonna throw the bark inside the container. Just throw it all in, puppy. Just pour it all in at once.
You gotta
There we
do
go.
all of it like this.
While Jorge's doing that, Jolene's being a Jolene just throwing stuff all over. And I think that's gonna be enough for that, Jorge. That's gonna be enough. Okay, let's throw it all. Make sure it's
And
all
by the way,
empty.
guys, we bought this at PetSmart.
Yeah. You ready, Jorge? Huh? Is it ready? So it's ready.
Oh
So
my gosh.
there's more.
Uh-huh.
There's more.
There's a little bit more.
Yeah, so there's some more in the bag. We're gonna get rid of it all. Shake, 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 shake it all until it's empty. Jolene, you like jumping? There's more.
Now I just do this.
And look at the turtles right here while they're waiting. One of them is going towards one of the weeds. I think he wants to eat the weed.
Can it eat the weeds?
I think so. Look, it's hiding. What about this one? Why is it so sad? Let me see it.
He's sleeping.
He's sleepy right here. I don't know if he liked the bath. I don't think he liked it.
He's probably
Oh.
sleepy.
Okay, did you empty the whole bag, Jorge?
Yeah.
So the thing is,
Now we gotta spread it all
we're gonna
out.
spread it out evenly. That way we can get the stuff back on for the turtles. So,
We're gonna leave a big
Jorge,
space
you get the island.
for-
Get it and put it inside the container.
Okay. Now, guys, you're gonna make a hole for this.
That's good enough. And then put the rocks back in. Jorge. Jolene, you want to help too?
Where should we put?
Oh, wherever you want.
Let's put the new rocks. I'm gonna put this rock right here,
Uh-huh.
and this new rock right here.
Okay.
And we're gonna take apart.
Oh, you good baby. Watch out, Jolene.
And
Don't.
then now,
I'm gonna put their feeding tray. That's where we feed them. The turtles, Jolene. You like your turtles?
go away. I just gotta wash them.
Don't step on them.
But I gotta wash them.
Okay.
I gotta wash it. first.
Jorge's gonna go wash the tray.
Turtles.
Turtles? You like them? ¿Sí te gustan, Jolene? Mira las tortuguitas. So we got one of the moving ones, and it's moving pretty slowly, but the other one is just laying down right there.
Turtles.
Not sure what's going on with it. Let's see what's wrong with it. Maybe it's cold, maybe it needs water. Look at Jolene. Look at this turtle. Wow. So baby George went to wash the container already. We're gonna put the container right there. That's where we put their lettuce.
Gonna do this like that.
Yeah. Good job, buddy.
For our tortoises.
Yeah. And now we're gonna put the lettuce, and then we're gonna put the turtles back inside there, and they're ready to go
And then they're ready to go.
back inside.
And then we'll show you the whole thing put together.
Yep.
So guys, I'm gonna go get the cabbage. I'm gonna show you what kind of cabbage.
It's actually not cabbage, it's lettuce. Let's see how the turtles are doing right here. So one of the turtles is still by the weeds, and then we got the lazy one over here.
Another option you could use is apples.
We put apples too. So Jorge's gonna open the lettuce. Let's see if we can. And we're just gonna put a little bit of lettuce on it now.
Not that much.
Nope. Yeah.
Give them that much.
I think that should be enough.
Let me just cut them in parts first.
Jorge wants to chop it in pieces.
That should be.
The one then we're gonna put a little bit of water on their island, right, Jorge? We're gonna grab it from inside.
It can be any water. Any.
And so we're gonna go ahead and. Do you want to get the turtles back inside to their cage, or you want to wait until we put it inside?
I want to wait until we put it inside.
Okay. So we'll be right back. So baby George is gonna get both of the turtles and put them back into their
You dry it off.
place.
And then last step here, I'm gonna have to close it. Put the turtle inside. And let it clean. And then put these things.
And they're all good to go.
And then,
Check out those
guys,
turtles.
one more thing.
Okay, Jorge's gonna show us one more thing. And that's how the turtles look in their new turret. And Jorge's putting up.
Putting the stuff.
And then we have the light too for the turtles.
It
We're gonna
works.
put it right here on one side. So when the turtles get cold, they go to the light, right, Jorge?
Put it right in here. So when something happens.
We got Harrier right here.
Yeah, they have hair right here.
Okay, guys, so that was our video today on our turtles.
But I just turned it off.
The light's a little bit shaky. So you have an on and off button. And there's our little helper too, Jolene. Say bye. Say bye, Jolene. Jorge, say bye to the video.
Bye, guys.
Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more turtles videos, and if you want to see more of Baby George and Jolene.
What about the fish?
Oh, Jorge also has a fish. He'll probably do it in the next video.